Hello guys, welcome back on my channel. Today I am going to show a new AI tool in Canva called ClayFX in the Must Try AI Tools in Canva series. As you can see, we can create a clay animation and clay effect from any picture in Canva. But before we dive into the tutorial, I have a quick favor to ask. If you like my content and find it valuable, please take a moment to hit that small like button and subscribe to my channel. It really helps to keep creating content for you. Thanks, and now let's get started. So I just already inserted a same image to the Canva, removing the background, and just go into the apps, and we need this ClayFX. The only thing what we need to do, the image is already selected. So if you have more elements on the Canva, you have to select what we would like to modify. We can change the strength. I keep it on 1. As you can see, we have 4 credits per day. I already use 1. And this refreshing daily. So we can create 4 different images per day. I just click on a transformed image. Just move into the right side again. Sorry. I'm just waiting until this AI tool generating the image. I'm just increasing the size a bit, moving to here. Meanwhile, going back to the previous page, just to copy paste the image, the original one, and now just we have to wait until this image will be modified, then we can see what is the final outcome. That will be also a surprise for me. I've just tried once and I would like to see is it make a same or a different image. Looks like not the same. No, that's pretty awesome. Pretty awesome. That's from the same picture, frame image. The second try. Here, as you can see, in the third, even this bag was done, but for a second one, the bag is not here. I think this is a less important thing, but as you can see, the top is a bit different, the pants is a bit different, the hair is a bit different, so that's even the glasses, the eyes. Yeah, it's pretty awesome. I just used it first time now, so I'm pretty amazed about this tool. This looks amazing. It looks pretty funny. We can make any really funny clay effect, any clay image from any real picture. So I'm really amazed it. Hope so you also like it. And if you really like this tutorial, please do not forget to hit that small like button, subscribe to my channel, and leave comment if you have any ideas, if you also really like this tutorial or struggling anything on Canva or anything in AI. Please also visit my Facebook page. You can find the links in the description where you can find tons of other tutorials about Canva, not only from me, also from other Canva experts. Plus you can find a bunch of text-to-image prompts for image generation with the different applications. So if you're also interested about this area, please take your time to check my Facebook page also. But now this tutorial is going to the end. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Ciao.